Welcome back again, guys. For this time around, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. If you haven't already, remember, subscribe. Hit the notification bell, turn it on. Okay, so this time it's my second full workout video on YouTube. So thanks again for coming back. Today we're gonna be doing core. This is gonna be about 30 minutes. This core routine is not, I didn't put it together. So I'm gonna be following suit. I'm gonna be following the core routine while you follow me, do the core routine. You know what I mean? So yeah, I didn't put it together. Well, no, it's 20 minutes. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some core. You wanna do some core? You wanna do some core? You wanna do some core with coach? Let's do it. So, from what I remember, each exercise is 45 seconds. And you got 15 seconds break in between. This is gonna be good. It's gonna be burning. You might see me stop. That's because it's burning. I'm feeling it. But I'm going to be pushing through like you should too. So, yeah, let's get down to business. Are you ready?
Now we're gonna be going for 20 exercises.
I am ready.
Straight, so you really want to
I am ready.
yourself light.
Leg flutters. Keep those core engaged. Point your toes. Regulate that breathing, girl. Regulate that breathing, boy. Regulate that breathing, mama. Hey, regulate that breathing, dada. Remember, turn your own music on. And just follow. Follow what I do. 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds rest before the next exercise. Lay flat. Gonna reach up to the sky. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna be doing jackknives. Lay down flat on your back. Hands up, feet up. Come up and meet. I am already feeling it. Ha. Come on, guys. Man. We're gonna do boat hold. Lay back. My core. My core. Ugh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're gonna be doing laying windshield wipers now. Knees up. Time. Time. Star crunches, folks. Star crunches. Four, 3, 2, 1. Man, seated in and out. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this one. I'm gonna sit it out. I'm not gonna do this one. I'm burning. Seated in and out. I see right there. You go ahead. I'm gonna take a seat for this one. Them bread be burning. I need a break. All right, now we're gonna be doing Russian twists. Come on. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bicycles. I'm not gonna be doing bicycles either. But if you forget how bicycles are, it's like this. But I'm not gonna be doing that. Because my core is tired. I need extra recovery. But if you can do it, go ahead. You got 15 seconds left. This is my second set of core for this morning, so I'm feeling it. Mountain climbers. I did these earlier, but we're gonna do them again. Go at your own pace, folks. Fifteen seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna do high side plank raises. $22 seconds each side. So we're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1. Two, one. Man, we're gonna do plank reach throughs. Plank reach throughs. So sideways with the hands, reach through, and come out. We're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. We're gonna do plank toe taps now. Plank position, tap to the side. My core is screaming. We're gonna do leg raises 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do legs down hold. So we're gonna hold the beginner position of the leg raises. Just gonna hold like that. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost there. 5 more exercise. I'm gonna do in and outs. Jump in and out. Almost there, guys. Four, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go planks. This is some planks. This is some planks. Core tight. Keep your body in a straight line, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold this the whole time, but I'm gonna do the best I can. This is what happens when you work out back to back. You're already exhausted and you're pushing yourself. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna hold side plank hold. 22 seconds on each side. Four, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Last couple seconds. 3, 2, 1. 2 more exercises. Chair sit-ups. Switch. Last couple seconds. 3, 2, 1. One last exercise left. Switching mountain climbers. Oh Lord. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.